What's up, beautiful people? It's Holar of Texas again, and today what we're making is fish stew. And our ingredients today, I'll be using my fish, tomatoes, pepper, onions, salt, curry, thyme, and a little bit of oil. Those are the ingredients we're going to be using today. Just go along with me as we drive smooth in. We're going to be using ginger also, and garlic also. Like you see all my ingredients right there. The first thing we want to dig into is cleaning our fish. At times, when you get your fish, at times everything, it's usually you literally need to take out the dirt inside of it. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm taking out the scales. Apart from the scale, I'm cutting it into the few pieces I want it to be. Some prefer it 5, some prefer it 4, depending on how big you want your fish to be. And this is what I'm doing right here. I just finished cutting my fish. And the next thing I want to do is, rinse it, take out all the dirt inside of the fish. Take your time. People will be like, oh, how come you're doing all of this? Yeah, you need to make sure your fish is properly clean, properly clean. And that's what I'm doing right here. I'm cleaning my fish, just making sure all the dirt inside of my fish, is literally taken out. And after you're doing all of this, once you're done taking the dirt out, you want to rinse your fish properly. You can put it inside a bowl or put it inside your pot. Pour a little bit of water inside your pot, and just rinse it. So right now, I just finished cleaning the head of the fish. Some people prefer cooking the head, while some people prefer throwing the head away. My next step right now is, you see me right there, just rinsing it properly. Once you're done rinsing, you want to add a few ingredients to it, like your salt, your tomatoes, your your thyme, just to give it that flavor you want. And once I'm done with that, the next thing, don't forget to also add your onions also. You put that on fire, and the next thing you want to drop is your sauce. The sauce, I'm cutting my tomatoes right now. Apart from tomatoes, this is where I have to blend my sauce. My tomatoes, my onions, my habanero, my ginger, all that good stuff. And once you're done cutting everything, you have to blend your pepper. Don't forget, you have to blend your sauce, because that is where all this is originated from. Blend your sauce. Once you're done blending the sauce, the next thing after blending the sauce, and also don't forget, add your thyme also. Don't forget, add your ginger also. Add your ginger also, because it's very important. Don't forget. Once you're done adding all those good stuff, all those necessary stuff, you want to blend your sauce. Going back to the fish, you see the fish is cooking right here. Make sure you test it in between to make sure it has a necessary taste, a good, depending on how you want the taste to be. The next thing I did was I literally jumped on the pot, fry my oil, add the onions. Just add the onion, just fry for a little bit, and add your sauce. And once you boil the sauce for like 25 minutes, you want to add your fish also. That's what I'm doing right here. You see my sauce right there. It's looking good. Let it steam up for like another 5 minutes. And right now, the sauce should be ready. It should be ready. And right now, I'm not gonna just take it alone. I'm gonna have my fish stew with rice. So on the side, I did my rice already. I know every one of us know how to make rice. And right now, I'm ready to eat. On the side, put my rice right there. Serve my rice. And once you serve the quantity of rice you want to add your fish stew. Oh my God, I'm serving it right now, and you see that's my fish right there. As a king can be eating one fish. You have to have like at least 2 to 3 fishes on your delicacy, and that is how I make my fish stew with rice on the side. That guy looks really good. Try this recipe and let me know how it goes. I really appreciate all you guys do towards the channel. If you like this video, subscribe also, and thanks for watching.